Good morning to everybody. Today we are going to see about NEET scheme. So already we have seen Mudra, PMEGP, and we are going to see NEETs. NEETs is just like a new entrepreneur come enterprises development scheme. This scheme will give loan from 5 lakhs to 1 crore. This NEET scheme is mainly focused for new entrepreneur to develop new entrepreneur. First generation. First generation is the main because lot of people in rurals they will go for work. They would have not started their business, but they will be having a lot of ideas to develop them to give them a boost. Tamil Nadu government has started this NEET scheme. Under this scheme, you can start the loan. The loan will be given up to 5 lakhs to 1 crore. So for that, what are the requirements? What are the documents we got to submit? What is the subsidy we are getting? Everything we will see. See, first, you have to apply online. You have to apply and that msme.gov.in NEET scheme. So online application, it will ask some of the documents like education, your PAN card, Aadhaar card, this GP and all. You have to make it sure. So then community certificate, education certificate, machinery quotations, everything. So if you are not having all the documents at a time, you can save it. You have to give your phone number. You will get a OTP. According to that, it will be recorded always. So if you see eligibility, first entrepreneur in your family, you are the first entrepreneur you will be getting. If your brother already an entrepreneur, you cannot get. So first to develop first entrepreneur, mainly to develop first a women entrepreneur, this NEET scheme has started. So age, if you see minimum 21 age, maximum for general 35, SC, ST, MBC, BC, women, handicapped, and then trilingual caste 45. So ages up to 45, minimum age they can get this NEET scheme. After that, if you see what is a qualification is for any ITA holder or diploma holder, BE or MBBS, any professional holders. For any CES, anything for this professional holders, they are getting this. This is categorized under manufacturing and services. These are the both. So mainly for manufacturing of MSME activities, they are giving. There are some list of activities which 75 business activities which NEETs cannot give. Main is agri because this NEET scheme is for mainly for manufacturing activity. So for agriculture activity, it is not giving. For agriculture activity, you can the NABARD is giving the loan like a purchasing of tractors or purchasing a harvesting machine, paddy harvest and all. That is a separate one. It is giving. So this is mainly for MSME to develop the young entrepreneur who is going to give a lot of opportunity to young men and women. For them, this is a given. So income is that if you see there is no limit for income, family income. Subsidy you will get 25%, maximum 25%. That is called 25 lakhs maximum you can get. This you can get only one time only. Suppose 10 lakhs your project cost, then 25%, 2.5 is a subsidy. This subsidy will come as is a front end subsidy. It will come and sometime it will come. So when we open 10%, you have to give your margin. Your margin is 10%. So 10% if you give 1 lakh, you have to keep in your bank account. 9 lakhs bank will open that. According to for 10 lakhs, the quotation according to your quotation, that DD or RTGS will be sent to the party. You will get the machinery. Everything will be done. For 10 lakhs, 2.5. For 100 lakhs, 25. This is a just a classification. So for 10%, 10 lakhs you got to bring. This is the minimum amount that you are bringing as a margin. You are getting very good subsidy of 25 lakhs. So when it is being credited, your loan amount will be reduced. According to that, your rate of interest will be there. So if you see, you have to apply online application. Then DIC will call you for interview. For 1 month, they will give EDP training, Entrepreneur Development Program. It's a program which they will give to develop your skills, managerial skills, whether you are where you are getting raw material, how you are going to sell the material, sell the items, everything. They will give a very good idea regarding this. For them, 1 month training they will take. It's a compulsory one. This NEET scheme, you can take an individual name or partnership name or proprietorship name. Suppose Roja Silks proprietor Mrs. Sumati. So it is a proprietorship. If no, I don't know, I don't have any proprietorship. For that there is no record. So I will take in Sumati my name only. So Sumati, that's all. For individual or proprietor or partnership. Partnership will be more than two. So partnership also this education qualification, this subsidy entire will be there. If partners are more than two or more than three, how many are more than highest, like the degrees according to age and all, it will be calculated, and subsidy also according to the members it is being calculated for partnership. Then if you see bank account, so need scheme, it will be given which bank you want to go. Then you are having account with this, what is your account number, the total it will ask, what is your company name, everything in what name that bank account is there, everything it will ask, you will give. So bank all the details will be going to that. And with the security and without security you can avail this loan. With the security means you are giving any collateral, according to that you will give, because bank mainly aims for collateral, because all will not have collateral. For that what you have to do, you have to, so if you give with the security, then it will not be CSGT MSC coverage is will be there. For without security you have to 1 lakh you have to cover 1500. So if you give 10 lakhs 15,000 you have to pay per year as a premium for CGT MSC coverage without security. So if you are not having any security, you can tell sir please cover under CGT MSC, I will pay the premium. So next beneficiary வந்து minimum 3 years you must have stayed in Tamil Nadu. Suppose this is not only for Tamilian, it is for all. You have stayed from your North India, you have came, you stayed Tamil Nadu and you want to open a granite industry. So for that your machinery, that structure, crane and all, raw material and all, you will be asking. Surely it will be nearly 50 lakhs, 70 lakhs it will be go. For them also it is, they will be given. According to the 3 years proof, you have to give marble industry. So that margin money is 5 to 10% you got to give. So manufacturing services it is being classified. For this, for whom it is the loan is given is for purchase of land, it is giving. Need is giving for purchase of land. For PMEGP, for purchase of land they will not give. They will only give for construction, machinery and working capital they will give. But under need scheme they will give purchase of land and construction of building. That is also up to 25%. Your project cost is 1 crore. So land and building maximum 25 lakhs only they will give for allot for this. After remaining 75 it is for machinery and working capital. This being classified according to that. So working capital means for running capital, for purchasing raw material, payment to workers, payment of any incidents, sudden incident. This loan is being given. The documents which are required is PAN card, Aadhaar card, community certificate, educational certificate, project report, EDP certificates. Then if you are registered in Udyog Aadhaar, this and all mainly required. There are 75 business that it is not giving. Main is for agri business it's not giving. Agri is for NABARD, it is separated department, for them it is given. And then for you can SIDBI is a nodal agency. SIDBI only are getting all the subsidies. SIDBI is also having a bank. So Erode it is there. So bank, TIC, Tamil Nadu Industrial Corporation, and service, then rural banks, RRBs, rural banks, cooperative, any banks you can get this subsidy, this need scheme. This if you are having collateral is not compulsory, so it is being covered under CGT MSC coverage. You can buy only new machinery, old machinery we cannot buy. So rate of interest normally 9.5% to 10.5% will be there. So this is the best scheme for developing a young entrepreneurs. So if you see any places, some industry is running, whether the industry is running with full-fledged workers, full-fledged working capital, materials or electricity, is this everything you must understand before starting any business, similar business who has started, what are the difficulties they have faced, how we can overcome that. So everything you must remember it. For any business it is compulsory that you make a study report. According to that study report you must make a chart. Okay, and for this month per day EV will be for 2 shift or 1 shift, EV will be this much, this many labors I will call, I have raw material for 1 week or 1 month or 2 weeks or 3 weeks. So I have to purchase the raw material and keep it safe. After that finished product I am shifting through van or lorry to that market, and I am getting payment for 30 days or 45 days. So for manufacturing I am getting this much amount, for selling this much amount I am getting. So I am getting net profit or net loss I am getting. So you must analyze. This project report will give all this. Project cost is a main thing which describes all the items, how you are going to repay the amount to bank, how you are going to gain it, when you are going to close it, All this will be reported in project report. So my best wishes is that under need scheme you can go for this loan, because only one time only this need scheme being given. So for 5 lakhs to 1 crore tak, you can go for this loan. If you have any doubt, you put in my comment box. Surely I will reply to you. Best of luck for you. Thank you.